Morning. Um, I finished this longhorn steer that I call Splash of Color. Uh, I He's what you call in the longhorn world loud color because his background is white and then he's got these huge patches of red on him. Anyway, since I last saw you with with this painting, I, I painted the grass 5 times. I think it was about 5 times. But I'm happy with it now because I just smudged it and you think you see grass. So that's a good thing. And then I decided to put hills in the background, which I think helps a lot. And I lightened the background, did some finger painting back here, and lightened this area over the hills. And to make the horns a little more round, I lightened them up a bit. And through here, lightened his face up some, and painted the eyes. And then voila, I was done. Um, Thank you for joining me. And I'm kind of sure what I'm going to paint next, but I still have to block in some paintings. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next week.